Hi, devs. Welcome back to another part in this web browser tutorial series. So today we're just going to focus on the title bar. At the moment we've got that big blue title bar at the top and it doesn't really look very professional, so we're going to work on making it a bit more modernized. So let's get straight into it. So first of all, what we are going to do is we're going to actually split it into two, so we'll give it a grid dot raw definition, raw definition, raw definition. Actually no, we only need two. And this top one will give it a height of 40. And if we just come down to our tab view, we will give it a raw span of 2. And let's sort out the background, so we'll do X null. In between this, we want to add another grid. Give this a name of app title bar, and give it a transparent background. Give it a transparent background. Let's give this a grid dot column definition, column, column, column. This top one will be named left padding column, and then this one will be xname right padding column, like that. I think that's all we need to do on that front. So if we go into our code, right up at the top, there's a few things that we need. So, sorry, that's in here. So we need core application view title bar. Just hover over that. And then add the application model.core. I'm going to call this core title bar. And then we're going to use application view title bar. Again, hover over that. And then add view management, windows.ui.viewmanagement, and then we'll just call this one title bar. So if we come into our constructor, we can actually say core title bar equals core application dot get current window dot title bar, and then we'll say core title bar dot extend view into title bar equals true. Then underneath we'll say title bar equals application view dot get current view title bar, and title bar dot button background color equals colors that I need adding to UI dot transparent. Just below that, window dot current dot set title bar, and then in our brackets app title bar, core title bar dot layout metrics changed plus equals core title bar underscore layout metrics changed. Again, core title bar dot is visible changed plus equals core title bar. Oops, what have I done there? Oh, what happened there? Try again. Is visible. Ah, sorted that for me. That's weird. So underneath that, we'll do window dot current dot core window dot activated, and then core window underscore activated, and then we'll hover over it and then generate method like that. So we've got our needed methods there now, so we just need to actually do something with them. So let's do this first. So we'll do left padding column dot width equals new grid length, and then core title bar dot system layout left inset, then right dot width equals new grid length, and then core title bar dot system, we'll change that to right, and save that. For the visibility, we'll just say if sender dot is visible app title bar dot visibility equals visibility dot visible, else app title bar dot visibility equals visibility dot collapsed. And now we just need to do our activated, which is here. We'll just say UI settings equals new UI setting. Oops. If args dot window activation state equals deactivated, and then we can change the color of our background. So we can change the color of our app title bar. App title bar dot background equals new solid color brush color dot red. Equals color dot let's have a think. I can't remember how to do it. 1 second. That's how you do it. So it's app title bar dot background equals new solid color brush color dot red. Let's go into here again and let's change the Z index. This we want to be below everything, and this we want to be above everything. So let's put that at 1. And I think that should be it. Can zoom right in here. I kind of want this top bit to be a bit further up, so we can say margin 0 -9 0 0, and then that should be flush with the top. Maybe 8. And then let's just give it a run to make sure it's working. I'll just pause while it's doing that. And there you go. Now your title bar is no longer there, and it looks more like a more modern browser. And if you just make sure that you can actually drag it from our app bar and also press the buttons, so we can add and remove, and we still have access to these, just like that. So that's it for this part. Hope you learned something. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. There's more videos coming soon, and I'll see you in them.